Now you can start it. 65-year-old. Now you can slowly go down and there. Go there. Go down and there. 65-year-old woman has a lot of history. Like 45 years back, she had a pulmonary cox. We can see in her X-ray there's some right-sided pulmonary fibrosis upper lobe. And 2019, no, she had a CA breast. You could see the scar there. And there was a modified radical mastectomy followed by chemoradiotherapy. Entire 2019-20 went in that. 21 she even received trastuzumab. She was ERPR positive. And then finally she was declared in remission from 2021. And since then 2025 she has probably not had any follow-up. And yesterday, బుక్కలో ప్రెస్ చేస్తే కొద్దిగా నొప్పి ఉంటుంది బుక్క కోసం ఇది, otherwise okay. So now yesterday suddenly she had developed since morning cough, and with cough she has developed shortness of breath. And now what we see in the echo here is there is this very epicardial pad of fat, small right ventricle, not a corpulmonale, that's surprising. Given her history of lung injury, you would have expected that. And there's this left ventricle here, the left atrium here, aortic root. Now aortic root and left atrium look almost similar in diameter, which kind of goes against a raised LV-EDP, or perhaps an acute LV failure which hasn't time to cause LV dilatation. And the movement of the LV, the wall motion is not healthy definitely, but it is expected in a person. She is already also has diabetes since the last 15 years, diabetes and hypertension. She's got some truncal obesity as we may have shown in the video. Mild though, but then with combined with sarcopenia and all, that would make a metabolic syndrome picture. So what we are seeing here is a complex problem with comorbidities, in the sense that pulmonary comorbidities, and you can show her this thing, how it is not at all recovering with oxygen. The PaO2, SpO2, you can go that way, that side. But very careful of the space. PaO2, how it is not recovering with how much oxygen. You can see that oxygen there. You can even take a video of that oxygen there, how much oxygen is going. So you can increase the oxygen a little bit. Try. Now again we can see how much will it be. Very big. Here. There. Okay. Now, so she is having persistent hypoxia since morning, and her SpO2 hasn't increased at all from 77 and all that. Even now, Dr. Vaishnavi has increased it. Oh, she is now not taking anyway. Although, okay. So, ఇది పెట్టండి, తీసుకోండి, అలాగే పెట్టండి. రైట్. ఓకే, మంచిగా పెట్టండి. So we feel that the cardiac contractility is such that although there is no LV systolic dysfunction, there is a chance of a diastolic dysfunction, and possibly that has precipitated her recent exacerbation of cough and shortness of breath. She is having orthopnea also. She is not able to lie down. Although currently we made her lie down for the echo, but since yesterday she has been always sitting up. So that makes her feel better. So we just wanted to share this cardiac problem with you, which is complex and possibly predominantly cardiac, although she has got a lot of lung issues as well.